Rhino Results Review. Hello friends, I am Sid and today I am here to review Rhino Results by Dawood Islam, launching on 23rd November 2020 at 9 AM EST. Now let's see what Rhino Results is all about. Rhino Results is a complete training course that teaches you how to build your list and earn easy commissions at the same time by giving away free copies of high quality products. It includes resources such as free squeeze pages and extra affiliate marketing training. If you get Rhino Results, you would have a competitive edge over other affiliate marketers for sure. The reason for this is it is a proven system with a track record of success. It is a step-by-step easy to follow training, and it's almost guaranteed to build your list without any paid traffic or content creation. You also do not need any website or any technical skills, or you don't need to learn how to drive traffic to your offers, as this will be taught in the training and you will only be using free methods. So Rhino Results is perfect for newbies. Dawood is sharing the exact system that he uses for creating great products and then giving it away for free, but more importantly also keeping in place a great sales funnel that can earn extra profits. You would get in not just one but three great products that you can give away. They will help you easily build your list for free in the same way that Dawood does, but you will also earn big commissions on the rest of the sales funnel while you are building your list. If you are a complete newbie, you need not worry, because there will be full over-the-shoulder training that will be provided, and you will be given all the tools and resources that you need to promote, and you will also be given access to the free traffic sources so that you can drive traffic to your offers. Now let's move to a little demo of the product from Dawood himself so that we know what to expect from Rhino Results when we make the purchase.
Hi everyone, just a very quick demo here of what to expect inside your Rhino Results members area. When you come into this page, obviously the first thing you'll see is a welcome video from me, so do watch that. And then you'll move on to an overview of the Rhino Results system, where we'll take you through exactly what this system entails. And then we'll move straight on to the main training. So we've got an introduction, as I said, nice and straightforward. It's not going to take you a long time to set up. You don't need to have a lot of techie skills or anything like that. Completely newbie friendly. We'll talk you through each of the three products that you're going to be giving away. You'll get access to them yourself as well. Your links will be there. It's guaranteed approval. And then we'll get you set up. Then we'll show you how to use the resources that come with this, and then how to promote using the completely free traffic. And then all of your results, all of your resources rather, are contained here. And then we've got a conclusion to wrap everything up. Your bonuses, your upgrades, and everything else is there. So it's all pretty straightforward, folks. You know, nothing complicated about Rhino Results whatsoever. You just click a couple of buttons, apply for your links, follow the methods that we teach you on how to promote, and you can look forward to building up a big list by giving stuff away, and also by earning commissions throughout the funnel while you build that list. It doesn't get any easier than this for brand new people or for people that are struggling right now. So join me inside this members area shortly once you've picked up your copy of Rhino Results.
So after that quick little demo from Dawood about Rhino Results and what you can expect from it, let's move to the members area of Rhino Results. So this is how your dashboard will look once you make your purchase and you create your account with Rhino Results. And once you sign up, this is how the members area will look. Well, at first we have the welcome video from Dawood, and then we have a little overview of Rhino Results from Dowd himself, and then we move to the main training section where we have the first video as introduction to the training, and then we have the first giveaway product, which is basically Rhino Results itself, the front end of the product, which you can give away and start building your list, and by using your list you can earn commissions as well. The second giveaway product is Ducky Dollars. This was another great product from Dowd, which he launched a few weeks back. And the third giveaway product is Ted's Woodworking, which is basically a ClickBank product, and you can give away all these three products and build your email list and start earning good affiliate commissions through your promotions. And the next video is using the resources, where he will tell you how to use the resources to make best use of this method to build your list and earn commissions. The next video, Dowd talks about how to promote your affiliate offers for maximum conversions and sales. And there are other sections as well, like the resources, like the Animal Kingdom Anarchy, which was another great product from Dowd. And there are also a few free squeeze pages that are being provided as part of the resources, and there's also a special free squeeze page for Rhino Results. And then we have the conclusion video from Dowd, which completes the Rhino Results training. But we also have some great bonuses that you can get, like the Ducky Dollars, the Lockdown Formula, 6 ways to make money on TikTok, 8 top high ticket programs, the 7 top niches online, etc. And if you have forgot to upgrade to the upsells of Rhino Results, you can always do them here. And there are a few other bonuses that a few other people have offered to customers of Rhino Results, like simple affiliate machines. There's also a bonus by Lou Hornberger, which is basically 4 steps to a profitable email list. And we also have a bonus from Jenna Bebak, where we talk about how to discover a new secret affiliate marketing funnel that can make you up to $300 or more per day. So this is what Rhino Results members area has to offer. So let's now see that what Dowd is offering as a bonus himself for customers of Rhino Results. Is offering basically 5 bonuses. The first bonus is a bonus page builder. The second bonus is the secret weapon. The third bonus is how to make $100 a day on ClickBank. The next bonus is commission blueprint, and the next bonus is Warrior Plus Super Hacks strategy. So you'll get all these bonuses, but remember, these are fast action bonuses. So you need to get your hands on Rhino Results as quickly as you can to get access to these bonuses. So you can get Rhino Results, as it's a good product, and in case for some reason you don't get the results that you were expecting, it comes with a 30-day money back guarantee, which makes this product a no-brainer, because you can get your money back in a case that it does not work for you or you don't get the desired results. You can always contact the support team, and they will refund your money back within the first 30 days of your purchase, with no questions being asked. So I am also offering some good bonuses if you decide to buy Rhino Results through my link. You just need to click the first link in the description of this video, which will bring you to this page where I've listed all my bonuses. And once you reach this page, you just need to click on any of these blue tabs, which will redirect you to the sales page of Rhino Results, where you can complete your purchase of the product. And once you complete your purchase, all these bonuses will be waiting for you to add even more value to your purchase of Rhino Results. So let's take a look at the various bonuses that I'm offering. My first bonus is a tutorial, which is how to build a buyer's list. And my next bonus is introduction to affiliate marketing, which is a tutorial as well. And my next bonus is a tutorial on $0 to $100 in 24 hours. And my next bonus is commission blueprint. You'll get all these bonuses if you buy Rhino Results through my link. So thank you so much for watching my review of Rhino Results. Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you're notified when I come up with review videos like this in the future. Thanks again. You have a wonderful day ahead. Bye.